it's Sierra with WTI. And let me put you on to my newest find. It is this precious shower caddy by Rohkex. It fits perfectly in the corner of your shower, completely waterproof, and it's the perfect height for a good clean shave. But not only that, it can be styled with anything and it fits pretty much anywhere in your house. The curve of it is not only aesthetic, but it makes it easy to fit anywhere in any corner. And don't even get me started on how easy it was to set up. It came with exactly what it needed, only a few pieces to put together. Let me show you how it's done. You take the top two pieces and lay them upside down, and then you take the legs and make sure the side with the hole is facing upwards. You align the hole with the screw and start screwing it in. Easy as that. Comes with this Allen wrench. Put it all together, rinse and repeat over and over again. You can put the top on, same way, line up the holes, line up the screws. Lastly, you put the little bottoms on. They're rubber and they add a little bit of height, and it makes it super easy to push around on any surface. And you are ready to go. Take a nice hot bath and relax. I absolutely love this. It is my new favorite find. And that's my point of view.